Greetings mga ka-spacers! Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. This is your ka-spacer and Space Commander Professor June Cajigal welcoming you to this episode of Space, the Final Frontier.
They used to say that if man were meant to fly, he'd have wings. But he did fly. He discovered he had to. I don't believe we can stop. In fact, through all our existence, the frightened and faint-hearted have been warning not to push any further, not to learn anymore, not to hope, grow, and exceed themselves. I don't believe we can stop. I don't believe we're meant to.
What a piece of work is man. How noble in reason. How infinite in faculty, in form, in moving, how express and admirable, in action, how like an angel, in apprehension, how like a god. I see us one day becoming that.
It is the unknown that defines our existence. We are constantly searching, not just for answers to our questions, but for new questions. We are explorers. We explore our lives, day by day. And we explore the galaxy, trying to expand the boundaries of our knowledge, not to conquer with weapons or with ideas, but to coexist and learn.
Live long and prosper.
In a part of space where there are few rules, it's more important than ever that we hold fast to our own. We have to have something stable to rely on, and we do. The principles and ideals of the Federation. As far as I'm concerned, those are the best allies we could have.
We're going to stumble, make mistakes, I'm sure more than a few before we find our footing. But we're going to learn from those mistakes. That's what being human is all about.
The only way to defeat fear is to tell it no. We will not take shortcuts on the path to righteousness. We will continue exploring, discovering new worlds, new civilizations.
Space.
The final frontier.
All right, everybody, back to your posts.
Let's see what's out there.
Set a course.
Headed.
So this is your ka-spacer and Space Commander Professor June Cajigal from the BEDAN Society of Young Astronomers saying, live long and prosper.